Find a level area and lay out the inner tent on the ground. Stake loosely if there's any wind. Secure anchors by placing the anchor loop around a stake, pulling moderately, and pound it into the ground with a hard object. If the ground is too hard for stakes, you can tie anchors to rocks or other heavy objects. Build your pole sets by connecting all the segments and ensure each section is seated properly. Place the shorter poles aside for now. Slide the longer poles through the diagonal pole sleeves at the top of the canopy so the poles crisscross on the ground. Insert locking pole tips into the 4 grommeted corner anchors, and then attach the inner tent canopy to the poles using the pole clips. Now slide the 2 remaining pole sections into the pole sleeves above the doors, and then insert the locking pole tips into the corresponding grommeted webbing on the sides of the inner tent. Next, cover the inner tent with a rainfly, keeping the vestibule lined up with the door. Locate the grommeted webbing on the inside of the fly and attach to the pole tips on either side of the cross poles. Secure the poles to the rainfly with internal Velcro pole wraps. Locate the webbing straps on the corners of the fly and use the side release buckles to clip into the anchor webbing. Moderately adjust tension in the fly using the webbing straps and the ladder lock buckles, saving room for final adjustment. For final tensioning, stake out the 2 anchor points on the vestibule and pull firmly on all adjustable corner anchors and tension lines for a tight setup. Add guy lines for additional strength if needed, as a properly tensioned tent ensures maximum water shedding and wind resistance.